Hello everyone, hope that you all are doing fantastic. By the way, as you know that I'm Saurabh Roy. So basically for my practicing purpose, each and every single day, I choose different types of topic and I try to speak more than 1 minute about those topics. Today, I also choose a topic. The topic name is daily motivation. So let's talk about this topic more than 1 minute. So first of all, what do you think that is it possible stay motivated each and every single day? If I talk about myself, it's not possible. And if you want to get success in your life, I personally believe that you have to maintain discipline. Motivation brings us only excitement. If you want to get success in your life, definitely you have to maintain discipline, means disciplines. If I talk about myself, how do I maintain discipline? Suppose if I fix to achieve any goal, so at that time, before go to sleep for tomorrow, I write down what type of activities I have to do for tomorrow, and also I categorize my all the important works. First of all, most important activities I try to keep first, second, third, and before go to sleep tomorrow I have to done or I have to finish those type of activities. Like this way I try to maintain discipline. So you can also follow this method, I can say, to maintain discipline. But I personally believe that it's not possible to stay motivated each and every single day, and I didn't force myself to stay motivated each and every single day. So what do you think, that is it possible to stay motivated each and every single day? You can tell in the comment box. By the way, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, tata.